In the shadow of towering pyramids and amidst the whispers of ancient winds, a civilization flourishes, yet a dark secret lies buried beneath the sands of time. Lost to history, their achievements once rivaled those of the great empires, but what led to their downfall? Join us as we uncover the mystery of a civilization that dared to challenge the gods themselves. Enter our central figure, the enigmatic High Priestess, whose visions foretold a great calamity. Torn between loyalty to her people and the haunting prophecies, she must navigate the treacherous waters of power, facing off against a rival faction intent on seizing control. The air thickens with tension as factions clash, each believing they are destined to rule. As war erupts, betrayal seeps into the heart of the civilization. Allies become enemies, and the High Priestess learns that the true enemy lies within. A twist of fate reveals that the rival faction's leader is none other than her estranged brother, driven by vengeance for a past wrong. The stakes have never been higher. The fate of their civilization hangs in the balance. In the aftermath of betrayal, the High Priestess must rally her people to confront the harsh truths of ambition and sacrifice. The lesson of unity in the face of adversity resonates as they fight not just for survival, but for the soul of their civilization. Through courage and resilience, they reclaim their legacy, reminding us that history is shaped not only by victories, but also by the lessons learned in defeat. As the dust settles, the civilization is forever changed. They rise from the ashes, their story a testament to the spirit of humanity. Though their name may fade, their legacy will echo through the ages, a reminder that even in lost civilizations, the echoes of resilience and hope endure.